I have a confession to make. I haven't always created interesting content. Sometimes that was because I lacked the time or the drive. But over time, I've become more committed to my craft and drafts. I now work constantly on improving them. And what I've learned is that defining and creating quality content is trickier than it seems. Hi, this is Michelle Troutman with a classy business writing tip on defining quality content. I'll also reveal why so many marketers get it wrong, and the 5 essential traits that separate delightful from disappointing content. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and for a free checklist to help you create content that reaches the right clients, see the link in the video description. If you do content marketing like me, you can wonder whether you're serving quality content. Regular audits reveal what engages readers and where to improve. But what does quality content mean, and why does it matter? There's no single definition, though certain themes stand out. When I started content marketing, I thought quality content meant keeping a stiff, overly formal tone and cramming in as many facts as possible, common mistakes many marketers make. Spoiler alert, this isn't a good strategy or benchmark. Let's break down what quality content really means. Think of it like cooking. When you combine the right ingredients and the right recipe, the result can be delicious. But the wrong mix? That's a recipe for disaster. It's like serving your audience a charred casserole. Essentially, quality content meets your audience's needs, whether that's answering questions, solving a problem, or providing inspiration. 2, it supports your business goals, helping you build trust, drive conversions, or grow your visibility. The Cambridge English Dictionary defines quality as the standard that measures how good or bad something is. The Merriam-Webster Dictionary adds nuance with a history of the term and its usage. But in content marketing, it's simpler. Quality is the dash of salt that adds flavor to it, the detail that makes it memorable. It's worth noting that the word quality on its own, without adjectives or qualifiers like good or low, typically implies excellence. That's not a strict rule, but a style guideline I prefer. So what does quality content mean, and why does it matter? ActiveCampaign defines it as the depth of information and insight contained within a piece of content. Content quality goes beyond information to include formatting, readability, and grammatical correctness. SEMrush. Quality content typically refers to content that is useful, accurate, reliable, and relevant to its intended audience. Their resources also connect content quality to SEO performance, a critical consideration if ranking matters to your strategy. The article with the quote explains how content quality affects SEO with examples. It's also a model of quality content. Ann Handley, arguably the Julia Child of content marketing, from her book Everybody Writes. Quality content means content that is packed with clear utility and is brimming with inspiration, and it has relentless empathy for the audience. These guidelines are like knowing your reader's tastes. They ensure you serve something they'll savor. But even if a piece meets these criteria, will it satisfy your readers? The subject matter and how you present it affects whether your readers will connect with it, and whether it will help you reach your business goals. Beyond algorithms, certain factors can keep your audience reading and returning. One major ingredient in quality content, it's well written. It lacks spelling, punctuation, grammar, and factual errors to reflect your professionalism. It's as fluid as a well-conducted orchestra. Imagine reading a sentence like this. You'd click away faster than you can spell proofread. Beyond that, consider the depth and accuracy of your information. As part of Google's EEAT guidelines, authoritativeness and trustworthiness, through your experience and expertise, play major roles. Adding research from reliable sources also enhances your credibility and search rankings. And if you seek to rank, tabloid-style content that intends to shock readers and gain clicks has no place here. You might consider it distasteful. Remember, Quality content involves more than ticking boxes. It's supposed to engage your audience while supporting your business goals through clear, polished writing with enough depth to enhance your credibility and search rankings. It should also help rather than shock people. What's one ingredient your content needs more of? Let me know in the comments. And the next video will explore how to ensure your messaging is consistent. For more writing tips and techniques, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. And for your free content creation checklist, see the link in the video description. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to keep your writing classy.